Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to build a weather application inside JavaScript using the Open Weather API. So for this I am using a jQuery plugin. So here this is the application. Here you will enter the state name or city name. So this is Delhi, and click on this get weather button, and now you can see that a nice widget will be returned to you. This is the icon representing that this is sunset. Place temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. Description clear sky, humidity, wind speed, sunrise, sunset. You can change the state to any state in the world. Let's suppose West Bengal. Click get weather. Now you can see that cloudy is there because rain is there, so 25 degrees Celsius. Description is overcast clouds, humidity 77%, wind speed and all that stuff. Let's suppose I Florida here. Click get weather. You can see that 20 degrees Celsius. If I change this to Las Vegas, so it is applicable for every state in the world. So this is a nice application that I will be telling you that how to build this. So I am using this jQuery plugin for displaying the real-time weather conditions using the Open Weather API. So this is a GitHub repository of this. So if you just go to this and go to their website, so I have given the link in the description. So this is a GitHub repository. You just need to click on this option, clone or download. Click the download zip file option, and it will download the whole project into your system. And now what you want to do, just go to this folder and copy all the contents which are there inside this folder. And now I will show you how to make a simple form. So just create a new folder inside your desktop, and inside this you can just name it as weather app, and inside this go to this folder and paste all the contents that you have copied like this. And now I will open the Visual Studio Code text editor inside this folder. So this is pretty simple process. All the functionality is pre-made built for you. You need just to make some changes. So we will be making this application dynamic. So you can see that inside the demo folder you will find a single index.html file. We need to open this, and if I right click open with live server, if I open this application, so if you open it for the very first time, what you will find here, it is just starting here. In the meantime, let me just also show you how to get the API key from Open Weather API. So just create a free account. After going to let me just show you. After you have successfully created your account, go to the API key section, and this will create the API key for you. So just copy this API key. Your API key will be different, so don't copy mine. And let me just show you the application. So this will be the default application that will be shown to you. So here you can just change the state name. So the state name will be static. So if you drag down here, you will see that all the dependencies are pre-made built for you. So here this is a Open Weather jQuery plugin. So this takes some options. You can see that this is the API key. You can use their API key also, but I will copy paste mine here. So just change this to mine API key. And here you can change the city name. Let's suppose from Los Angeles to Delhi. And now if I refresh this, you will see that it will have this sun icon, and the temperature is 42 degrees Celsius. And apart from that, you can neglect some of these options, but I will be having all these options: description, wind speed, minimum temperature, maximum temperature, humidity, sunrise, sunset, all that stuff. And you just need to make this application somewhat dynamic. So for that, what we can do here is that first thing first, we just need to transfer all this code inside a function. So all this code, copy this, delete from here, and just transfer this whole function inside a new function. I think that yes, this needs to be starting from here. This we need to copy from here and just copy this and delete from here, and now just make a new function, which is function get weather, and basically this will expect a city name. That's it. And now paste the whole code, and here inside the static value just replace the parameter that we will be receiving inside this function, which is city. That's it. So now we just need to make a simple form inside our HTML. Right here at the top you can make it. Just after the body tag you can have first of all a heading, which is open weather API app in JavaScript, and then we will have a simple form, and we will be providing an ID to it of my form so that we can target in jQuery. So after that we will have an input field, input of type text. So we will be giving an ID to it of city. So whichever city we write here, this needs to be required, and the placeholder will be enter city here. That's it. Now we will be having a submit button also, input submit, and the value will be get weather. That's it. And now if I refresh it, you will see that this is the application. So here we just need to plug in our JavaScript code, jQuery code. So right here, when the function starts here, we will first of all target our form by the ID that we have given to it, my form. So when the form submits, you need to execute this callback function. So this will hold the event object. So first of all, we need to execute this e.prevent default. So this will prevent the auto submission of the form. Now we need to get the city name that the user has entered. By we can target the city by its ID and get the value like this. And now we can simply call the get weather function, passing the city name. That's it. So now the application is complete, and now if I test the application on the browser, if I enter a city name Delhi, click get weather, and now you will see that the application is changed from static to dynamic. You can change this from Delhi to West Bengal. You can see that. Change this to Florida, and you can change this to Islamabad. You can see that. So now the application is complete, guys. So this was the whole application. So just check the description link and go to that link and download the repository and make these necessary changes, and you will get a weather API app using the Open Weather API. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.